My best bud is upset, man. He is sick. Get him in there. Punch him, punch him, punch him. Come on. You ready to go, Bean? Damn, Bean. Look at your nose, man. There you go. Take that back. I'm sorry, Bean. Damn, dude. You look rough. Yeah, you look rough, man. I think that's not coming out your nose. Tell him, Bean. Tell him, Bean. So Bean's been coughing and we're about to take him to the ER because he's been coughing a little bit. Oh. You've been coughing a little bit, Bean, this morning. You're scaring us. All this virus shit they talking about, you scaring us, man. I'm scaring us like that. Hold up now. Hold up. Don't be scaring us, man. Don't be scaring us with that corona now. You don't hear that coronavirus blues. Anyway. Tell him, Bean. I don't got no death notes. I ain't gonna die. Why they talking about this corona bill? Bill Gates, he predicted it. Wow. And I think it's important to point out that right, Bean? This could be worse in terms of a virus. Bean, wow, right? You ready to go to the ER? I don't want to go. When your mama say something about it, she scared me. All right, let's do it. She's in love with who I am. All right. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did have a Zen. You got a runny nose now. I hate to go to the hospital though, but damn. This coronavirus. Well, you know the deal. Hit the subscribe button in your bottom right corner. We need all the subscribers we can get. So please subscribe. These are subscriptions. Look at him. He's so cute. Underdog being so cute. Subscribe now. Tequila style. Golf boy clip.